So, good day everyone. I'm Maji Abanto. So, let's start with downloading the Python. Kung anong gamit nyo, PC o laptop. Kung ano meron kayo, Chrome, Opera, like this, Microsoft Edge. Type nyo lang yung Python. Yan, Python download. And pag pinindot nyo yan, mapupunta kayo dito sa python.org. Pindutin nyo lang yan. And then, lalabas to. Yan yung pinaka-latest version niya. Then, pag na-download nyo na yan, ay automatically ay pupunta siya dito. Then, makikita nyo itong idle Python. So, ang kakalabasan nun ay ito. So, today is gagawa tayo ng module math ang gagawin natin. So, let's gonna type import math hashtag calculus. Calculate the square root of a number is equals to 25. Yun yung kakalculate natin. Then, square root result is equals to math that square root that number. Then, print f the square root of the number is square root result. Okay. So, hashtag calculate the sine of 90 degree converted to radians. Let's say angle underscore degree is equals to 90. Kasi yun yung gagamitin natin. So, radians is equals to math dot radians is angle over degrees. And then, use sine result is equals to math dot sine dot angle dot radians. Then print f the sine of angle degree is sine result. Okay. So, ito na kasi yan eh. Bali, siya ay madami. So, let's calculate the value of pi. Okay, print f is the value of pi is math dot pi. Okay, so let's use the round a number up and down. Value equals to 7.8. Print f value rounded down is math floor value. Okay, let's print naman is f value rounded up is math sale value. Okay, so let's find the factorial of a number 5. Factorial of result. Ayan. Factorial of result is equals to what the factorial number print and the factorial of number is factorial result. So ayan, natapos na natin and we're gonna run it. Let's see if kaya tong ma-run. And okay, lalagay natin siya sa desktop. Let's say module math ang gagamitin natin. No, desktop. Yan, module math. Yun, lumabas. So yun, okay na. Nakita nyo na yung mga sagot dyan. The square root of 25 is 5. So the sine of 90 degrees is 1. The value of pi is 3.14 something. 7.8 rounded up is 7. 7.8 rounded down is 8. So the factorial of 5 is 20. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin isa-isa para makuha nyo itong mga sagot dito. Yun lang. And thank you.